Hello, hello. It's Alicia from Quick and Delish here to show you how to make a super quick snack. It's almost ridiculous. You just wait and see. Okay, so I'm gonna make strawberry milk. This is ridiculous because there's chocolate milk and that's just like chocolate syrup or chocolate in a liquid form added to some sort of milk, cow's milk or non-dairy milk, whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take five to six strawberries. I'm just ripping off the stem, not worrying about the inside stem. If you're worried about that, then you feel free to remove them, but I'm not worried about it because it's going to be pureed in the blender. So there, but some people might be able to notice it. Okay, and then, so strawberry milk. Strawberry and milk. I have an 8-ounce glass here. This is Eden soy. It's an unsweetened soy milk. I like it because it has 12 grams of protein in it and it's not sweetened. It's not much is going on in there except for the 12 grams of protein and some, vitamins and minerals and such, calcium, etc. Now, so we have strawberry, which is our flavoring, and fruit, which has nutrition in it, and 12 grams of protein from soy milk. So we have our liquid and we have fruit for flavor. And the soy milk really doesn't add anything flavor-wise. It's just kind of like a plain basic thing. So I got a couple bunches of basil. I'm gonna go ahead and be crazy. I'm gonna go crazy. You could put some arugula in there if you want. But if you want to be a purist and just do strawberry milk, awesome. You can add vanilla extract or vanilla bean powder. Or I got this vanilla puree recently, and to try, it basically just tastes like very strong. It tastes like very strong vanilla extract. I'm going to use a little baby spoon. This is my baby spoon. I highly recommend eating ice cream with a baby spoon to slow down the process so you can enjoy it. So I'm just going to do a little, I don't know, it's not even like an eighth of a teaspoon in here of the vanilla because it's very strong. I don't want it to be overpowering. I just want to have a little more vanilla. All right. So certainly get, vanilla flavored non-dairy milk or whatever. I just don't really like the vanilla flavored stuff very much. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this together. This is my trusty little smoothie blender, which is cool. It's supposed to be great for traveling, but it's kind of bigger. But what you can do is you could drink out of the blender container. All right, here we go. It's closed. Everything's closed. You always want to hold the top of the blender down and make sure it's attached to the base so that it'll actually work. So always train yourself to always hold the blender top down, hot or cold beverages, just to make sure nothing splashes. All right, here we go. It's gonna be loud for a second. All right. So it's super thick. I'm going to show you how thick and awesome this is. I have too many choices for glasses. Okay, super thick. Check this out. What? All right. So yeah, I had about 12 ounces. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. I could have used my 12-ounce glass and that would have fit the whole thing, but I'm going to drink the whole thing. Okay. So let's see here. So I want to add some fiber. So I could have added some chia seeds for fiber. I could add some quinoa crispies, or I have just a half cup or so of my homemade cereal granola stuff, which is just toasted oats with toasted coconut, pumpkin seeds, and cinnamon. So it's a 4-ingredient cereal. There's no sweetener added in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a tablespoon of this. And then for crunch and more fiber and fun, I'm going to add a tablespoon of quinoa crispies. and enjoy. That's my snack. If you wanted to add some kind of greens, you could add some frozen spinach. This is just pre-chopped frozen spinach from Earthbound. I pulled it out of the freezer yesterday, so it's all thawed. I was going to make a spinach potato frittata today for the week ahead. All right, I'm going to give this a taste for you. So here I have about half cup of strawberries, 5 or 6 strawberries, a full cup of milk. Going for like a nice snack with enough protein in it. So this is 12 grams of protein. And then a little bit of quinoa, crispies from our friends at Edison Granary. And then a little bit of homemade cereal granola. One of these days I'll post the cereal recipe. All right, I'm going to taste it. It's so good. It reminds me of when I was a kid and I had cereal and milk. I would try to eat it as fast as eat my cereal and milk as fast as possible because I didn't like it when the flakes got soggy. So I'm gonna have to enjoy this quickly. I hope you try this. I hope you let me know if you like it or not. You can go for a little bit more vanilla bean paste if you want it to taste a little bit more like vanilla, but I like it. It's delicious. It tastes like strawberry milk with some crunchy stuff. So it hits the spot for me. It'll get me to dinner so I can so I don't get too hungry. Awesome. Stay tuned for more snack ideas, meal ideas, and ways to simplify your life in a meal planning way so you can have time to do you awesome. To do you awesome. All right, to be continued until next time. This is Alicia from Quick and Delish. Take care until next time. Bye.